Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here problem solving of exercise 8.1, and this exercise is a very important exercise. Today I am taking question number 6. Question 1 to 5 solved in the first lecture. Today is the second lecture of this exercise. Question number 6 here, a different type question of this. To find the area of the region in the first quadrant in closed x-axis and line. Question, read very carefully. You will find the area of the region only first quadrant, first condition only first quadrant, enclosed, not complete first quadrant. First quadrant are enclosed by x-axis and line, or equation of the curve. We are given this circle here. This is the equation of the circle. X square plus y square equal to a square. This is the equation of the circle. X square plus y square equal to a square. This is the equation of the circle. So this is the equation of the circle already here, given as a form of the curve. Yes, note down that first thing. Given here x square plus y square equal to 4. What value of this is the equation first? So x square equal y square. What value of the y square equal to 4 minus x square, and y equal to 4 minus x square. This is the equation first. And equation of line here given x equal root 3y. This is the second equation. But what value of the y? X upon root 3. Because you have required the value only here, value of the y mod y and value of the mod y. You have required only the two value here. One yx, because you are finding their x-axis, then you will be using the limit only the x-axis, then function will be converted into y equal. Second things, you will draw the diagram here first. This is your circle. In this circle, y-axis, y dash, x and x dash. This is the equation of the circle here given. This is the equation of the circle here given. You know what is the radius of the circle here? 4. A square equal to value of the a square equal to 4. It means value of the a equal to plus minus 2. It means left side any direction take the value of here. Suppose name of this point here a. So here 2 0. In this point, because your radius equal to your 4, then a square equal to 4, then value of the, because standard equation of this circle here, x square plus y square equal to a square, and this a square is called the radius. This a square is called the radius. What is the radius of the circle? A square equal to here given 4. It means value of the a equal to plus minus 2. Plus, right side is plus and left side here 2, minus 2. Or you will find the area of the in the first quadrant only in this quadrant, or not complete the first quadrant, enclosed by the x-axis and this line. Or you will check this line and this circle, where is intersecting of this circle. Suppose we check this. How to draw the line? Line equation of the line here given this second equation, x equal to root 3y. So suppose you are putting y equal to 0, the x equal to 0. When you putting y equal to 0, the x equal to 0. When you putting y equal to 1, the x equal to root 3. And when you putting x equal to y equal to y equal to 2, then here x equal to 2 root 3. That means your line will be go according this way. in this way. This is equation of line. X equal root 3y. This line, or this is the equation of the circle here given. X square plus y square equal to 4. This equation circle. So this equation converted here to mod y equal root 4 minus x square, and this is converted to y equal root x upon root 3 in this form. Second things here, right here, the first quadrant and enclosed by the line and x-axis. This is your x-axis at line. So this means you will find the area of this portion. You will find the area of this portion. In this portion, you will find the area of this portion, not this portion, not this portion, not this and this. This is negative of the. So first of all, things, what is the intersecting point? You check here, the line and circle here intersecting. Line and circle here intersecting. The means any point B, here point B. What is the coordinate of the B here? Means line and circle is intersecting. It means this line and any point having this intersecting point here. Then you find the intersecting point of line and circle. So now intersecting points, line and circle. You will find the intersecting point of line and circle. So then you will be putting the value of the x here. Yeah, suppose value of the y here. I will be putting the x here. Then you are getting the value of the y. Yeah, value of putting the y here, then you are putting value of the x. So now from equation first and second, with x square plus value of the y equal to x upon root 3. Here square equal to 4. What value of the x square? X square equal to y square. A value of the y square equal to and y equal to x upon root 3 here. But then you get here x square plus x square upon 3 equal to 4. Then x square, you calculate here 3 and 4 x square upon 3 equal to 4. What value you get here? 4x square equal to 4 into 3. This 4 will be cancelled. What will you get here? Plus minus root 3. Plus minus root 3. So we will be using here only positive value. Negative value will neglect, because you will find the area only positive direct first quadrant only, not third quadrant. So here the value of the x here root 3. Value of the x here root 3 means value of the x equal to root 3 is using, and value equal to minus root 3 is ignoring, neglect. Why is neglect here? Why ignoring here? Because you are finding the area only the first quadrant, not third quadrant. So then this will be not used here. You will use this value only. So then putting this value in equation second, then you get the answer here. From equation second, y equal x. What value x? Root 3 upon 3. This one. The value of this is 1. When you putting this value here equation second, then you will get the answer here 1. Here coordinate of intersecting point of the B means intersecting point is B. Intersecting point B क्या है आपको? Root 3 1. Coordinate of B here root 3 1. Coordinate of A root 3 is 1. Then you will find the area. Now look here. Here you have the two types curve. One is the straight line. Second you are having the circle. So how to find the area here? It means you will be draw the line here, straight line here. It means value of your x is equal to root 3. This is the point is the origin, this is the O point in starting O. So when you draw this line, the coordinate of this point here B is root 3. The same point is on axis is the root 3 here. You will draw the perpendicular line here. So this coordinate of this point here root 3, this here root 3. Then you will using the two types of here. One is the line and second you will the circle. First you note down this, then we will find the area here. Yes class, so you will find the area of this shaded portion, this one also, and this one is also. So now you look this here, you have the two curve here. One is the straight line and second you have the curve. So 0 to root 3 in this triangle shape, means in this triangle shape, this point or this point. In this right angle triangle you will find the area with help of the line, under the line. At left part you are using the limit here, root 3 to 2 is and under this curve of this circle. The circle using only the in this portion, first portion you are using the under the curve of line. Now required area what is the required area here? First using the limit 0 to root 3, 0 to root 3. Because here you now look here this circle and you are drawing the line in this shape in this way, and then first you are using 0 to root 3 here first you are using the in this part area, only this portion area, not using this. 0 to root 3 means only under the line. So means what is the equation of the x dy, x dx, y dx, and plus root 3 to 2. After that you will second part you will find the area of the earth with this line. Suppose this line here is root 3 to 2. So this part you will be using the by the curve of circle. Curve of circle is y dx. So then using here 0 to root 3 here. What value of the line here? Equation of line is using this portion x upon root 3 plus root 3 to 2 means root 3 is 2. Then this using this portion having the using the circle. So then equation of circle using this root 4 minus x square dx. According this way. So root x x upon root 3 and positive value here 4 minus x square dx. So then using this is the equation of the circle, this is the equation of the line. Then using here 1 upon root 3 taking outside here, then integration of x, the x square by 2 and 0 to root 3. Integration of the x square by 2 and root 3 taking outside plus then using here identity. What identity you are using here? You is integration of root a square minus x square using this identity. Integration root x a square minus x square dx equal to x upon a root a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sin inverse x upon a. Using this identity here, here x place here 4, if a square place here 4 and x place here x, so you can convert this. Here you can write here square of the 2. Root 3 2 and you can write here root square of 2 into x square dx. Write in this form. The a square here 2 and x square here x. According this, you will using this identity here, then you calculate the answer. 1 upon root 3 are same. What value here? Root 3 square minus 0 square. Root 3 upon 2. The 2 taking outside here, the 2 root 3. 2 taking outside here, the root 3 square of the root 3 square of the 0, then we will get here, and integration of this portion x upon a means x upon 2 root 4 minus x square plus 4 upon 2 sine inverse x upon 2. According to this identity, x upon a means x upon 2. Same here, a square means 2 square of the 2 here 4, assign x upon a. Then we calculate here 1 upon 2 root 3. Here answer came only 3, and here 0 plus, then you here limit here root 3 to 2. Then using your limit, first using the upper limit here, 2 upon 2 is 1, 4 minus 4 plus 4 upon 2 sine inverse 2 upon 2. Then minus. Upper limit work is completed, then using the lower limit, the root 3 upon 2, 4 minus 3 plus 4 upon 2, 4 upon 2 here same, sine inverse root 3 upon 2. So this is the upper limit portion, this is the lower limit portion, and this is the first part. Yes, you note down it, then you calculate it. Yes, you calculate it. You have calculated the root 3 upon here left root 3 cancel, only root 3 here, root 3 upon 2 here left, plus here portion 4 minus 4 here 0, but then here counting 4 minus 4 0, then multiply 0 is 0, plus 4 upon 2 is 2, and sine inverse 1, the sine pi by 2, sine 90 is 1. Here sine inverse 1, so what value of the sine inverse and sine pi by 2, minus 3 by 2 here same, so root 3 by 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1, plus 4 by 2 is 2, and sine inverse, what value 3 by 2? Sine pi by 3. Sine 60. Value of the root 3 by 2 sine 60. Sine 60 means pi by 3. The pi by 3 value is sine pi by 3. So then you can write here sine pi by 3. So this here root 3 by 2 plus here sine to sine can cancel here, to what left here 2 pi by 2. Sine inverse to sine cancel. What is left here? 2 pi by 2 minus here root 3 by 2 left, or here sine inverse sine can cancel, plus 2 pi by 3 here left. Here left only minus and minus here. Then also here minus sign, not plus sign, here also minus sign. Because here negative sign here, then minus here, root 3 by 2, then minus also here, not plus sign, here minus also. In this portion is minus sign. You are using the lower limit here. Upper limit portion here complete, then minus this portion and minus this portion. Same here minus sign. So then the root 3 by 2 plus what is left here? Pi minus root 3 by 2, and what is left here? Minus 2 pi by 3. So this portion has been cancelled. So 3 pi, taking LCM here, 3 pi minus 2 pi upon 3 what is left? Pi upon 3. This square unit. This is your answer. Pi upon 3 your complete answer. This 3 by 2, this 3 by 2, 3 by 2 cancel here. What is there? Here pi, here 2 pi by 3. Taking LCM here, 3 pi and 2 pi, pi by 3. Your complete answer here pi by 3. This one here pi by 3. Yes, in this way, this is the 4 marks, 5 marks question. In this, the type question is the 5 marks question. So then, when you draw the diagram, be very careful to where is your line, where is your circle, where is your limit, where is your intersecting point, line or circle. Then each point you are solve step by step. Then you calculate the area. This is your final area of this portion, pi by 3. Yes, you note down it. Yes, class. Next question I am taking the very important questions. The different type question. This question here, question number 9. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola. This is the equation of the parabola, and the line equation of line y equal to the equation of the curve means line y equal to mod x. So first of all, this curve and this both the different types. Writing here different types. Here x square right in the right side and y is right in the left side. But don't confuse here. You check the even power of the x and y. The even power here x. That means parabola symmetrical of the y axis. When even power having the x here, it means parabola is symmetrical of the y axis. Second thing here line. Here write the mod form. The mod form here, then you will be converting the signum form first. Then you find the what value of the line of the line will be draw first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. In which will draw here. Yes, note down it. First things are given. X square equal to y. This is the equation first. X square equal to y. This is the equation of the parabola. And parabola will be symmetrical of. This will be symmetrical of in this way. Parabola y square equal to x square equal to y means symmetrical of the y axis. Then according this way. Then we will draw a line y equal mod x. So then you can convert here value of suppose plus x if x greater than 0, value of 0 x equal to 0, minus x when x less than 0. So this x having the three value here x, 0 and minus x. Then you will put in the value here. Suppose your x greater than 0. Now you check here. When you putting here x equal to 0, then mod will here come here y equal to 0. When you putting x equal to 1 means positive value, then value of the y equal to 1. When you putting x equal to minus 1, then value come here 1, positive value. So then you check here and then draw the graph here. X0 starting point, y0. That means in this way you draw the diagram. Y equal to mod x. Second, when starting point is the origin, then x equal to minus x, then y also come positive. So y is not come negative form. Y always come in the x is the minus here in second quadrant, but y is positive. That means diagram will draw in the negative and positive x, but y is the positive only. This is the y equal to mod x also here. means this portion is the same. So you will find the area of this first quadrant, this will be same in this area of the second quadrant, means this area. You will find the area of this portion and this portion. And this is the origin point is 0, 0. Then you draw the diagram here. First of all, check the intersecting point, the line and parabola here. Suppose name of this point here A point. A, B, A, this is the A, B, C and D point. Then you say here two curve. This is the equation of the line here and this one here curve. This curve equation here y x square equal to y. Then x square you can convert in the y equal x square, and here y equal to x, only positive direction of the y equal to x. Then you can change this form here y equal to x, and here y equal to x square. Now intersecting point of the coordinate of the A, intersecting point of the curve and line this. Suppose you are putting the value here y equal to x here. What will you get here? You when you putting y equal to 1, x equal to 1. The intersecting point when you intersecting point x square equal y equal to x. Then you get the point here x square minus x equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 1 equal to 0. The x equal to 0 is not possible, and 1. 0, x equal to 0 and 1. Here coordinate here x value 1. This is the 0. This is the 1. And putting the value here x equal to 1 is from equation first, second, and you put here from equation set first. But then value of the y equal to 1. Then you can here using 1. When x equal to 1, then value of the y equal to 1. The same things here. Here coordinate here minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1. So then you can put in your value in the diagram, then you will find the area of the shaded region. And this area and this area will be same. So now area of shaded part OBAO equal to area of shaded part ODCO. Here B, this is the B point. So means this area equal to same. So then you can find the first quadrant area, then multiply by 2, then you get the complete answer of the shaded region. Your intersecting point you will dot, then means your limit here 1, 0 to 1. But here you have the two curves. One curve is the line, a second curve here your parabola. The line minus parabola means line, under the line is the complete part from here to here. That means you will subtract the area of the line minus area of the parabola, then you get the area of the shaded part. Yes. Now area of shaded region equal to 2 into 0 to 1, limit here 0 to 1, then (0 to 1) minus area of the line means x dx minus 0 to 1 area of the parabola x square dx. Area of the line minus area of the parabola. Then you will get the area of the shaded region, this portion and this one. After outside you multiply by the 2, then you get the answer. Yes, you note down first it. Yes, student. Now find the area here. Outside. Area of the x here, indication of the x here, x square by 2 minus here x cube by 3 and then here limit here same 0 to 1 0 to 1, then you writing here 0 to 1 times. Suppose you doing separate, the answer will not change, answer will become same. You are doing separate or combined, this should not matter. You are limit, when limit are same, then you can do the 1 times, otherwise you can do separate it. So then 2, what value, 1 square upon 2 minus upper limit 1 upon 3 minus 0 and here 0. What value here come 2, taking LCM here 6, 3 minus 2 upon 6, what will come here, 2 into 1 upon 6 means 1 upon 3 square unit. This is your answer. The required area of the both the part, this portion, this shaded portion here 1 by 3 square unit. How to solve this question here? First of all, the area of the line, this line is covering the complete part. This line is complete portion are covered by the line from here to here, this corner. But when you are subtracting the area of the curve means parabola. So this parabola is subtracting this portion to this portion. This white portion is subtracted by the area of the curve. Then you will get only the area of the shaded part. And when you multiply by the to this, then you get the complete shaded portion. According this way, you will not. According this way, you solve the question. Every question you solve. This question is a very important questions. Yes, you note down it.